Hey everyone, it's Taylor from WP Extended. Here's a quick preview of the new alpha version of WP Extended. We've rebuilt the entire plugin from the ground up with a focus on consistency, performance, and flexibility. At the core is a new settings framework which gives every module a consistent UI. It also means we can build and ship new features faster across the board. Every module has been refactored, making the codebase cleaner, faster, and easier to maintain. And under the hood, we've added a lot more hooks, so developers can easily extend or customize modules as needed. Here are a few highlights in this version. The Code Snippets module is now file-based for better security and performance, and you can now choose where to run your snippets. So you have the option for front-end, back-end, or everywhere. We also have the exports, posts, and users, which now allows you to add more export types, including JSON and TXT, and also the ability to select which fields and meta fields you want to export in your exports. We then have more per post type controls, so more modules now have the ability to only enable them for specific post types, meaning you have more granular control and precision where they apply. Admin columns and Menu Editor Pro are now more advanced and have more configurable settings. These are ideal for more power users and custom workflows. So you can now select things like what the column type is, the before and after text, the width, whether or not it's sortable, and much, much more. One of the biggest things that we have tried to improve is the ability to have a consistent UI. With this settings framework, all of our modules and settings now use the same exact framework. This means you can understand and know where things are going to be all of the time. The other advantage this has is we've also managed to make things more native in the WordPress core. One of the things WP Extended was originally built for was adding the features that we thought the WordPress core missed. So what we tried to do, we've tried to make the features that we've added and implemented look more like they belong in the core of WordPress. So things like adding in better block editor support, making things look more native in the block editor, and making sure that the classic editor still works and looks the exact same as it did. Then finally, this is an alpha version and there's still a few rough edges. We're finishing the final few things off and we'd love to share the plugin with you for testing. The testing will be there to make sure that we haven't missed anything, make sure that you have a smooth transition when you install the new version, and make sure that you have a better experience using our plugin. I'd love to hear any feedback, suggestions, and your thoughts on this brand new version. We've tried to make it as intuitive and as extendable as possible so that adding new modules, new features, new settings, and new functionality is quick and easy and get straight to the point. I hope you like it and let me know what you think.